Yeah, I'm going to be teaching you how to do some basic subtraction. So yeah, this is going to be really basic. It's only going to be for kindergartners to first graders. So yeah, it's going to be only one digit, but maybe 2 digits or something. Maybe I'll teach you that. But okay, so let's get started. So pretend you've got a problem that is 9 minus 5. And you're wondering what to do with that. So a lot of times numbers can be like a real jumble in the head, especially for kids with dyslexia. Now I'm not here to teach dyslexic kids, but I think I have a shot at just people who don't have dyslexia. So a lot of times, if you don't want to get the numbers like all mixed in a jumble, you can think of them as objects. So let's say there were 9 cookies. Yeah. So you're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you decide to take away 5. So basically, if you take away 5, you can either throw away 5, eat 5, I don't know. So then, from the 9 cookies that are there, you can just either erase them or put a mark through them. I'm going to put a mark through them. So you count to the number that's below. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And voila. So you just ate 5 of them, so they basically just don't exist anymore. And so you count the remaining ones that don't have a mark through them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So your answer is 4. That was pretty easy, wasn't it? Yeah. So let's move on to something more difficult. Let's say you want to, you're getting asked a question and it's 15 minus, let's say, 7. So you're doing that. And here's, you're just like saying, if you don't want to do objects with this kind of thing, you can still do objects, but if you don't want to, you can, actually, how about you forget about that for now? Let's say it was 9 minus 7. And yeah, so you see that the number below is smaller than the number above. And so yeah, you can just do it in your head, or fingers, it really doesn't matter. So yeah, so you can do that easily. But if it were to say 7 minus 9, that would go into the negative. So you're not going to learn the negatives until you're in a much higher grade. And this is only for really beginners, so it's not really going to work. So, but the answer is just because you were wondering, is going to be that. See? So when you're doing that, yeah, there you go. So it would just be negative minus 2, but don't even put that in your head right now. I was just showing you an example. But you're going to do 15 minus 7, and you suddenly realize that the 5 is smaller than 7. So yeah, and you're asking yourself, how can I do that? So unless there's a number next to it, it's not going to work. You're going to have to go into negative. So you can just cross it out. So in this, so let's pretend this was a 0. It would be 10. But, the number from that, this is called a 1, this is called a 10, and so on. 10, 100, 1,000, yeah. So you just cross it off, and from that 10 you take 1. Yeah, so there's 10. And you cross that off and you take that 10 away. So there's just 0 left. Then you cross this 5 off and you add the 10 to it. Now you see that 10 is bigger than 7, so you can do that. And 10 minus 7 is 3. And the 0, well, 0's a number, but it doesn't really count, so you're only left with 3. So 15 minus 7 is 3. Yeah, so that is basic subtraction. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.